Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi, guys. Welcome back. In the backyard this time. Same traffic. Not a whole lot going on. Just wanted to give you a bit of an update. Pollen is coming. It's coming. And you know, pollen kills me. Pollen and high heat triggers my allergies. I can't really be out here. So I'm doing this kind of early, talking to you guys. We'll be doing great things, though. Let's come over here. Hey, I want to ask you guys, what do you guys think about hanging baskets right here? One, two, three. This area is kind of plain. I think hanging baskets would liven it up. All right, over this way, rose bush. Nope. How about the fountain first? Still going. AC unit looks good. Get that pollen out so that your AC units can run properly. All right, now the rose bush. Looks good. Looks good. I wish it would grow in more, especially right here. It's coming. Just got to give it time. Be patient. Didn't look this good last year this time. Grateful for where we're at thus far. All right. My golden child. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that. We don't have favorites. Looks good though. Grill cover. Okay. Get one that fits. Lawnmower cover. All right. Look at the lilies and lilacs. This is what I'm talking about. This looks great. Excited about it. Look at that lilac. It's lilac. And the one over there, strong, healthy, green. This is what you want to see. I told you, you can move your plants, move them to an area that's best suited for them, and you can get the same results. This is phenomenal. Let's bring it down a notch. Got a little too hyped over that. They're just plants. Well, I don't mean it like that. You guys know what I mean. Little lime hydrangea, a little too close to the blue lavender. Might have to do something about that. This rose bush looks a whole lot better than the ones in the front. You can trust me on that. Take that all the way to the bank. Got the Holy Grail here, a little smaller than the one on the right. I just don't get it, guys. Look at this. Even over here, same thing. This is a lot better than last year, but again, it pales in comparison to this one. Over here, same thing. What in the world is going on with this? The one on the left and right. Anyway, this hydrangea is going to do great. It's going to be healthy, green. It's going to bloom. It's going to look fabulous. In regards to this made up left versus right debate, here's something that just hit me. Now, this rose bush is in the shade. I'm getting more growth, looks great, taller. This one is in the sun. You would think it will grow even more, but it's getting morning sun, which is hotter, okay? A lot hotter, much more detrimental if it gets too much. Over here, it'll probably get as much sun, but that sun won't be as hot, and it makes a difference. Thinking about getting in the perfume cologne business because of this plant. Smells great. Wish I could put it in a blender and extract the smell from it. All right, little lime hydrangea, doing well. Good spot for it, I think. Okay, lilac. Jury's still out on it. Jury's still out on it. And this one. Don't know what's going on. Had them for a while. I just expect more. That's all. Like this one in the middle. It's doing wonderful. Might have to trim it down. No bulbs, though. Haven't seen any bulbs or anything. So we'll see. Let's take a look at my other experiment. I call myself putting this in the nursery. And it turned out okay. Still got a ways to go. I'll do some trimming, but I got some growth coming in. At least it's trying to come in. Don't pay attention to that. Yeah, at least this is trying to come in. It's getting the sun it needs. Again, it wasn't getting, well, at least this side wasn't getting sun. Now it is. So you see the difference. Got a lot to do, whole lot of work, and it's going to get done. I guarantee it. It's going to get done. I got to get out of here, though. Temperature is rising. Pollen is coming. I know it is, and it's going to kill me. This grass, it'll be a lot different. Trust me. I guarantee it. It'll be a lot different. I can't stand looking at it. And those weeds are coming. The longer this goes, the more weeds will come. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.